If you can name the cough, you can catch the condition. Listen. Wheezy cough, a tight musical whistle caused by narrowed airways, signals asthma, COPD, or allergic bronchospasm. Hoarse cough, rough, weak, and gravel, common in laryngitis, vocal cord overuse, or acute inflammation. Productive cough, wet, heavy, expels mucus from the lower airways in bronchitis or pneumonia. Barking cough, loud and hollow, classic in croup or irritated trachea. Dry cough, non-productive and relentless. Think viral infections, asthma triggers, or environmental irritation. Follow for more Medical English Pro.